Hello and welcome back to Sarah TV. I'm Sarah and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Yeah, I want to give myself a leopard print today. For that I have to reshave a little bit, bleach, and after that I'm going to try the print. I wasn't really satisfied with my last two tries of the buzz cut prints, so I hope I'm going to master this hairstyle today. Yeah, but before we get started, make sure to subscribe my channel for more DIY hairstyles and leave me a like. Thank you, and let's start. Yep, so let's shave. I definitely have to cover up my body to protect myself from my own little hair. Yeah, so today I'm going for 5 millimeters. You see that? Okay guys, look at this cotton candy that came off. Looks like cotton candy. But I wouldn't eat it. Oh, just forgot to tell you guys, I've switched over to 9% developer because 6% is just not working on my hair. I swear it's just getting orange, or I have to keep the bleach on for about 2 hours to get it kind of blonde. So I was so annoyed, so I said, come, go back to your 9%. And this is why I use 9% again. This looks nice, yes. So, it's one of my favorite jobs to bleach my motherfucking hair. Now, let's start with the bleach. Yeah, I hope I reached every spot evenly. I'm going to leave it in for 45 minutes. Yeah, I will leave it in for 45 minutes, I think. Yes, I will check it out after 30 minutes before I wash it out. But actually it takes that long to get my hair nice and bright. Thanks. So now I just left it in for 45 minutes. I'm going to wash it off and let's see if it's bleached the way I want it. It's looking pretty bright already, so I don't need to go over it again. I just have some spots. Look at this. This is actually always happening, but I'm going to leave it like that. For the print part, I'm not going to use directions or any kind of colorful colors like I did in the previous video or like I did in the past, because I know if I'm going to use them, for example ebony by directions, it's going to look like I draw on my scalp with a marker like last time, and I want to prevent this. This is why I'm going to use permanent hair colors this time. For the inner dots, for the brighter dots, I'm going to use Schwarzkopf, beige blonde. This one, package, it's a package dye. It's actually a pretty nice blonde, I have to say. But yeah, I think we're done with the dots, with the inside dots, and now I'm going to leave that in and wait till the color is ready to wash out. Ooh, that's a pretty nice color. Look at it. It's cool, it's cool. I like it. Actually, in the beginning I wasn't the biggest fan of the leopard print, but at the moment it impresses me. Let's wash it out. Okay, let's do the black, let's do the contour. Where is my cup? Huh? Where is it? I'm getting a little headache actually already because of all the steam and the smell of all these hair color and the bleaching and all that stuff. It's getting into my head. But yeah, okay, I have a mission to do. Okay, for the black, as I told you, I'm going to use this package color by Sios. It's color number 1_1 black. Oh, oh no. This was no good idea. Actually, what is this? I kind of fucked up here. What is this? What is this? So, I think the black is a little bit too intensive. We will see, okay, I still give it a chance. Leopard print on my head. Yeah. So, let's leave it in again and wash it out again. See you then, and there. So. Yeah, I actually can't wait to wash the black color out now. Yeah, and I'm a little bit tired because I'm actually dyeing my hair for 3-4 hours now, and I'm getting a little sick of it. But if you want to look cool, you have to suffer a little bit. I pay the price, okay? And here, as you can see, I have a little bit color on my forehead already, and here, and here. Anyways. Oh no. Show me, Sarah. Okay, the black is very intense, but I should have known it before. What's going on with my forehead? Okay, but it's not looking like a marker style. The black is so intense. So intense, oh my god. Yeah, I mean, I think it's cool. It's better than the last times I tried these buzz cut print hairstyles. Yeah. I think it's more important how it's going to look like with clothes, with a cool fashion style to it. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. But before I'm going to do that, as you know, the video is going to an end. I want to say thank you for your attention and thank you for watching my video till the end. I know it was a very long session today. I appreciate your attention. I appreciate you watching my video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a like and we will see us next week. And now we're coming to my fashion thing. Bye. I'm so exhausted right now.